stop using WhatsApp on default settings. Right now, your exact location can be tracked through a simple voice call, and sneaky links are leaking your personal data without you ever clicking them. In this video, we're fixing that. Here are 8 hidden WhatsApp settings you need to change immediately to lock down your privacy before it's too late. Read messages without leaving a trace. Turning this off means no more blue ticks, so people won't know you've opened their texts. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then, tap Settings at the bottom right corner. Here, you get Privacy option. Tap to open it. Scroll little down and find Read Receipts. Toggle it off right now. Stop automated bots and massive spam campaigns from clogging your inbox and slowing down your phone. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Advanced. Find Block Unknown Account Messages and turn it on. WhatsApp will now automatically block incoming texts from unknown accounts if they start flooding you with high-volume spam. Tired of random international numbers calling you? This setting quietly diverts them without interrupting your day. Open Settings, tap Privacy, then tap on Calls. Toggle Silence Unknown Callers to On. Any call from a number not saved in your contacts will be automatically silenced and listed quietly in your call log. Super clean, zero interruptions. When you're in a meeting or a noisy place, you don't have to press play on voice notes anymore. Go to Settings, tap on Chats, then tap Voice Message Transcripts. Select Manually and select your language. Now every voice message you receive will automatically appear as text right below the audio. You never have to press play again. Normally, one-on-one calls establish a direct connection that can reveal your location's IP address. This setting stops that. Go to Settings, tap on Privacy, scroll down, and tap on Advanced. Turn on Protect IP Address in calls. When this is on, WhatsApp hides your real IP address during every call by routing it through their own servers. Nobody can track your location or identity from a call. Whenever someone sends you a link and WhatsApp generates a tiny preview box, it secretly pings that website's server, potentially exposing your data. While still inside the Advanced Privacy menu, find Disable Link Previews and switch it on. You will still see links, but websites can no longer track your data through sneaky automated previews. Keep your nosy friends out of your personal chats, even if you hand them your phone unlocked. Go to Settings, tap on Privacy, scroll down, and then tap on App Lock. Enable Require Face ID and set it to unlock immediately or after 1 minute. Now every time someone picks up your phone and opens WhatsApp, it will ask for Face ID first. Your chats stay private even if your phone is unlocked. If you think you are being targeted by a sophisticated digital threat, WhatsApp includes a total lockdown mode. Go to Settings, tap on Privacy, scroll down, and open Advanced and turn on Strict Account Settings. This is your last line of defense. It prevents anyone from transferring your WhatsApp account to a new device without your approval, so even if someone gets your number, they still can't steal your account. Those are the 8 settings to completely lock down your WhatsApp. Go ahead and change them right now before you forget. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment letting me know which settings surprised you the most. See you in the next one.